So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this channel I will show you how to use the merge and center tool in Excel to create clean and professional looking tables and titles. So for example, if you have your Excel like this, you find out that if you have long titles or headers, like for example this one, it's quite long, so it is not fitting in one cell that you have selected. If I click on this cell, I can see is still, when I start typing on that cell, you see that I'm blocking that word. So I don't want that to happen. What I can do is if I can highlight these different cells or a range of cells like that, then I'll go to the home tab, then I'll click on merge cells, then I will come and write my content in here, like for example the company logo, the company logo, the company logo. Then I can also go somewhere like here if I want to match them. If you're creating something like an invoice, so you just select the range that you want to match, then you can do that, and then you can enter the invoice like that. So that is how easy you can use the merge and center tool in Excel to create a professional table, and also write some nice and looking headers and topics in your Excel. So if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe, you like it, and you share with your friends so that I can create more videos. So follow for more. Thank you. See you.